So here's a quick demonstration of how to save your best search after you've done all of the keyword worksheets. So here I am in the Marks Libraries databases, and I'm going to go down to databases and e-reference, EBSCO, like we do, log in if you are off campus. I'm going to select a couple of databases. You can see I'm doing this in a kind of a quick way so I can quickly see which of these databases I want to use. And OK. And let's say well-being, life satisfaction, and we're going to do aquatic therapy, and let's do a search on that. So let us pretend that I have conducted multiple searches using a variety of keywords and related search terms, and using the filters, making sure that I'm getting peer-reviewed filters, and that I have updated the publication date to a time frame that your professor is happy with. And let us say that we're pretty happy with this. Let's do one more filter and say women, females. Okie dokie. And now I have 122 search results. To me, that is a good number of search results to look through. So let me go ahead and sign into my EBSCOhost folders account. I want to make sure that because now I'm going to go through and maybe start putting some articles into my EBSCOhost folders account. We don't want to forget to sign into that. But as I scroll through here, I can browse titles and abstracts and journal titles to see that these are all really good articles that I could use if this were my research topic. And so this is the kind of search results that I want you to share with me on your keyword worksheet. And this is how you do that. When you have your best search results up, click on share and go down to Permalink right here and copy, Control C, highlight all of it, Command or Control C to copy that, and then you'll go to the keyword worksheet and paste that into the blank where I ask you to share your best search results. And that's all you need to do. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions about this.